So the Lion Cub JC is a jumper compressor all-in-one. What I mean by that is it comes in this great kit. If you open up the kit, you're going to see a jumper cable system, a air compressor. This has 120 PSI, so you can connect that to the Cub JC and inflate low tires. And the JC also has USB power. It also has a flashlight built in as well. So this is our power button. Press and hold that for about a second. It's going to turn on and give you an indication of how much power is left inside of the unit. If you want to jumpstart a vehicle, you're going to use the jumper cables that come with it. So instead of having those long jumper cables and have to move your vehicle up next to another vehicle to jumpstart it, it's as easy as simply plugging this in and you're ready to go. So you turn this on. You're going to connect these to your positive and negative terminals on the battery of your vehicle, and then you're going to press this little button that looks like an engine for about a second. It will turn the light green, and that means energy now is flowing from this unit through the jumper cables into the battery that you're going to charge. You can jump start vehicles up to 20 times on that single charge, so it's very powerful. It comes with 480 amps of energy, or 14,000 milliamp hours. If you notice you have a low tire and you want to fill up a low tire, it comes with an air compressor. This is a 120 PSI air compressor. You can increase how many PSIs. You can change the unit dimension for US or other locations. When you're ready, then you simply turn on the air compressor and away it goes, automatically filling up your low tire. When it's done meeting the specified number of PSI you want to put into your tire, it will automatically shut itself off. On this end it says flashlight, so with the power on, you simply push that and notice the flashlight will come on the end. It's a 3-stage flashlight, so you've got strobe, you've got regular standard, and you've got SOS. Pretty powerful flashlight as well. And then, if you want to power your devices like a phone, so I want to charge my phone off of this, I'm going to bring in my phone. Notice the 5-volt, 3-amp USB outputs. I simply connect in to one of those with my plug, and now I'm charging my phone. Now, once you've used your JC, your Cub JC, you'd want to recharge it, of course. You can do that in a couple of different ways. It comes with a standard cord, so you can plug into the wall and recharge. Or if you want to, you can recharge it right from your vehicle by using the 12-volt cigarette lighter. Plug that right in. What I do in my pickup truck is I just plug this in, put it on the floorboard, and then I plug my phones and everything in here, so I always have a fresh charge of my Cub JC. So if you want one of these, you can go to lionenergy.com and pick one up today.